Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jisa Habagat Good from Bitoon, Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur, Philippines. I am 35 years old. I'm married. I have 5 kids, 2 boys and 3 girls. I want to work in Hong Kong. It's to earn money for my family to give them better future. I have work experience to Saudi Arabia. I finished 2 years contract. I start to work April 18, 2023 to 2025. I do course, cooking, ironing, cleaning, event hardening, and especially I'm willing to take care children. I am loyal, honest, hardworking, mm, res- respectfully any kinds of person. I do my best to serve you to, to satisfy and happy so that my future employer, please, can you hire me? Thank you.